Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create events on Facebook. Events on Facebook is a Facebook tool that allows you to recognize and organize events and create dedicated landing pages for their events. To create events on Facebook, first open Facebook application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to your home page. Now tap on three lines or the menu icon on the top right corner. Here you'll be able to see events option. If you are not being able to see events option, then tap on see more option. With this, now here scroll down and look for events. Now tap on events. Then here tap on plus sign on the top. With this, now here you'll be taken to the page where you can create your event. Now here you can select the cover for your event. You can tap on pick a GIF option and select a GIF, or you can also tap on gallery option and choose for any of the image that you want to upload. Similarly, you can upload your picture or images from your gallery in your mobile phone. To do that, tap on upload option and select any one of the photo. With this, now here you need to enter the event name on the given event name box. After that, you need to tap on start date and time box. Then tap on start date and enter the start date of your event. Then tap on set option. With that, now here you can also tap on start time option and enter the start time of your event. Then tap on set. With that, tap on done. Then you'll be able to add your start date and time. You can tap on add in time so that you can add the in time of your event. Now here tap on in date so that you can specify the date of your ending, and then you can tap on end time and select the time of ending of your event. With that, tap on done option. Then you can tap on repeat event option and select the frequency of your event repetition. Tap on frequency box, then select the frequency. I am going on with never option. You can choose daily or weekly as well. With this, you can tap on ends on option and then you'll be able to select the ends of your event. After that, you need to select whether the event is in person or virtual. Tap on the given box. Then, now here you can select from two options, that is in person or virtual on the top. If you are choosing virtual, then you can choose from Facebook Live or share the links of any other virtual mediums. Or if you are doing in person, then you need to enter the location of the place. Tap on the search bar on top, then you can search for the location in which you are going to host your event. Then tap on the given location. With that, now here you can choose who can see the event. Tap on the given box, then you can maintain the event privacy. You can choose who can see and join this event. You'll be able to invite people later. So choose whether you want it private, public, friends only, or groups. I'm going on with public. Then tap on done. With that, now here you can add details of your event by tapping on the given box, then enter the details. After that, you can add co-host by tapping on add co-host options. Then here you can search for the profile of your co-host by tapping on the search bar, or you can choose from the suggested members. Then tap on confirm. With that, now here you can chat with guests. To do that, tap on chat with guests option. Then you can connect with your guest, share details and updates, help people connect before and after the event. If you want to add a WhatsApp group chat, then you can tap on the given notch. With that, tap on next and continue with the further process. Similarly, you can also change additional settings by tapping on additional settings. Then you can choose the settings to allow guests to post to the event. You can choose only hosts can post or post must be approved by host option as per your requirement. With that, tap on create event option. With this, you'll be able to create your event. Now, as you can see here, my event has been created. Now here you can also share your event by tapping on share option. This is how we can create events on Facebook. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.